This state-of-the-art building, set up with the assistance of India, will now be called the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Tower. It is fitting to dedicate this iconic tower to former Indian Prime Minister, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Not only did this great friend of our country play a crucial role in strengthening Mauritius-India relations, but it was during his state visit to Mauritius in March 2000 that an agreement for cooperation was signed, and it rapidly led to the construction of the Cyber Tower. I am glad that this renaming of the Cyber Tower gives us the opportunity to keep alive amongst our citizens the memory of an outstanding statesman. Shri Vajpayee was a great humanist, a towering leader. I would also like to seize this opportunity to express my gratitude for the ongoing help from the Government of India in terms of financial assistance and grant for several other projects. The Metro Express, a new ENT hospital, new social housing units, a new Supreme Court building are in fact some of the projects being undertaken with the assistance of India.
Audio.